Merry Christmas, suppers!
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sammy.
And we're the hosts of Sup.
Yes, so this is the second day of Sup's 12 Days of Christmas cookies. And today, we are making shortbread cookies. These are from Scotland.
They used to be made out of leftover bread dough, and then eventually they switched the yeast in the bread dough to butter, and then it became shortbread.
Let's get started.
So first, you need to set the oven to 275 degrees.
Okay.
The ingredients you'll need are 1 cup of sugar, 1 pound of butter,
Everything's better with butter.
4 cups of flour, half a teaspoon salt, and then another 1/4 cup of sugar to garnish on top. The first thing to do is put the cup of sugar in the bowl and sprinkle it with water. Now you put the butter in and mix it together. This butter is softened because we have left it out the whole morning, and then we put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Next, you add the flour and salt and knead the dough with your hands. You knead it with your hands until the dough pulls away from the side of the bowl and your hands.
It's looking pretty good now, and it's pulling away from the glass bowl. And it's all forming into one.
The next thing to do is to put the dough into an ungreased 9 by 13 inch pan. And spread it all around to make sure it's all in the corners and everywhere, spread evenly. Shortbread cookies are usually eaten during Christmas, New Year's, or a wedding.
Next, we prick with a fork at 1-inch intervals.
Now we put it in the oven for 1 hour.
I'm cutting the shortbread into rectangles. Just cut our shortbread cookies from Scotland, and now we're going to eat them and try them. They're really soft, so. And they're breaking apart so soft. That is really good. They're really rich and buttery. That's just really good.
Thank you for joining us today on Sup 12 Days of Christmas Cookies.
Thank you for joining us today.
Bye.
Bye, suppers.
Bye.
Dig in. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.